Hi, in this section of the video I'm going to look at creating a new page, adding it to this main menu, and also creating an in-page menu like this one. So to start with, we need a new page. So I'm going to go to Create, Content Management, Create Content, and Page. I'm going to call this page Test. Let's quickly fill it with some test content. Now then, to get it to appear up here in the main menu, you need to scroll down to the bottom, and it's the first thing you see down in this section. Menu link title is what it's called in that main menu. So I'm just going to repeat the page title. Now this next section, parent item, this is where I want it to sit, and I want it to sit in the Cochrane group menu, so I'm going to leave that as it is, and that's the automatic selection. Let's click save and see if it works. Brilliant, it's appeared up here in the main section. This is where I wanted it. Here you can see the test content. Now I want to create some content that creates the in-page menu that appears here on the left-hand side of the page. To do that, I'm going to have to create another new page. So I'm going to go to Content Management, Create Content, and select Page. I'm going to call this Page 1. Quickly fill it with some test content. And then scroll back down to the menu link title. This time, again, I'm going to call it Page 1 and repeat the actual page title. But this time, instead of just leaving it at Cochrane Group menu, I want it to appear under the test menu, not in the main menu, but on the left-hand side within the page. To do that, I'm going to scroll all the way down to where I can see test. Here we go. All I need to do is click that and save. Here you can see it's created a left-hand menu. So when I go back to the test page, there you go. You see the test introductory content here and the left-hand in-page menu. I'm going to repeat this process and add another page to this in-page menu here. So again, we go to Content Management, Create Content, Page. This time I'm going to call it Page 2. And again, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, call the menu page Page 2. And again, go into the parent item box, go to the page you want it to fall under, and I'm not going to click Page 1 under Test, but Test again. There you go, it's added to the left-hand menu. So when we go back to the test page, you can see both pages are linked here. I would like to reorder the menu. I want to move Test to before Palliative Care Library, and I would also like to make sure that this in-page menu within Test is the right way round, so Page 1 comes before Page 2. But first let's move Test to before the Palliative Care Library. To edit this menu and to move things around, go to Site Building, Menus. And you want to select Cochrane Group Menu. These are all the pages that appear up here, and the menus within them. But I'm interested in Test. I want to move Test before Palliative Care Library. All I need to do is drag and move it up. And click Save. Brilliant, it's moved it. Now let's reorder the pages within Test. You can see here that they're the wrong way round, and depending on what page in-page menu you've got, you may want to reorder it a few times to see what works best for you. So let's go back to Site Building and Menus. And again, select Cochrane Group Menu. Just as we did with the main menu, all you need to do is drag it and move it up. So I'm going to move Page 1 above Page 2. and click Save. Now let's go see if that's worked. So I'm going to go click on Test. Brilliant, it's done it. The in-page menu is now the correct order. Let's move Papap's in-page menu as a live example. I want to edit this. Let's move the list around. So again, I'm going to go back to Site Building, Menus. Click on Cochrane Group menu again. Now then, this is the About Us section, and this is the bit that we want to reorder. I think I would like to put Meet the Team second rather than Get Involved, so I'm going to move this up. And it's a simple case of dragging and dropping. And again, I think the editorial board should be below Meet the Team. And annual reports, well, I'm going to put that next, so let's drag that up. Once you're happy with the order, click Save at the bottom. Let's go see how this looks now. Brilliant, that's how I wanted it.